Hello and welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we have seen how to import leads. If you haven't seen the video yet, you can check out the description box. In the video, we will get to know all about email automation, what is bulk email, what is email sequence, how to add email templates, and how to schedule email. So let's get started.
Beginning with the first question, how to import bulk email template. So if I get here and I can see that I have accounts option, and here I have the settings option. Both the things are same, they take you to the same page. If I click on accounts or if I click on settings, they will take you to the same page. Okay, so now I can see here I have two options, email and email template. So I can click over here and you can see I have some of the email templates ready with me. I will teach you how to create a new template. So here I have to click on new template. I will add some template name, I will add some subject name and then the body. Okay, and then I have to if I want, I can enable to share with the organization, and then I will click on save. For now I am not saving it, I will be clicking on cancel. So here is how I can import the templates, or what we can do is we can copy paste and then we can save it. And the email option over here, what is it does it, I can show you. When I go to connected accounts, I can see the number of accounts that I have connected with the tool. So these email accounts can be used to send email from this tool. So I can send email to the clients, but from which email account will I send the emails? So these are the emails that I can choose from. So I have to import it separately. Okay, so and other than that I have secret address. So what is secret address? You might be knowing that if I add someone in the BCC, then the person which I have added in 2 or I have added in CC will not know that I have added someone in the BCC. So what I can do, if I am sending some email outside the tool, I can add this email ID to the BCC and the lead will automatically generated in the tool itself. So that's what it is used for. And in email signature, this is the default email signature where any of the email that we are sending from this tool will have this email signature. So I have added here, click here to unsubscribe, so that so if someone wants, they can unsubscribe to my emails. So this is all about this. And if I click on connected account, then it again takes me to the connected email accounts. So yeah, that was all about email templates and email from which we can send the email. Coming back to the leads, where I can see here I have got an email tab. So if I click here, I can see there are 3 options: bulk email, send an email sequence, and manage email sequence. So we will talk about email sequence later. For now I will be telling what is bulk email. So let's say I have 11 leads over here. I will click on bulk email. I will simply choose the template that I want to send, and let's say I have to send this, and then I will click on only the first contact or all contacts. So this is what, remember I have told you that we can group related contacts. So in that case, the contact which is on number 1, if we select only the first contact, then only the topmost lead will be getting the email. But if I click on all contacts, then all the leads in the same company will be getting the email. So this is what it is used for. And then I can simply select the email that I want to use, and then I can preview. So in preview I can see, yes, this is the email template. I can click on next, and then I can and then simply I can click on send email to 11 leads. So yeah, and this is how we can send bulk email. For now I am not sending the emails because all the emails are incorrect. These are sample emails. So yeah, and the other part is what is email sequence. If I click over here, you can see here it is written email sequence. I am clicking over here, and now you can see that we have 2 templates that we have ready, and we have enabled it. It is test and it is services select. For now I will be creating one from the scratch. So let's say I click on new email sequence. I will click on this. Let's say I name it as a demo. and now I have to import the template from the existing template that I have added. So let's say I will be clicking on services select. That's it. And at what time it will be sending? It will be sending immediately. So on day one, immediately this email will be sending. So yeah, coming back to the next step, and I can click here to add another step. I will be simply clicking over here, and then it is step 2 is on day 4. And if I want to change it, so what I can do is, if no reply, send after a delay of 3 days. Okay, so now I will changing it to 2. So here you can see that now it is day 3, and I can click on 1, so it will be sending on the next day, the day 2. So yeah, and in case if there is any reply on the main email, then what will happen? The follow-up will definitely not go. So there is no means if someone is already replying to the first email, so we don't need to follow. That makes no sense. So that's why this is enabled over here. And then I can click on a follow-up. Let's say I am clicking on this, and then I can go down, I can add another step, and then I can click on another follow-up, and let's say it is day 3. I can change it. So I will be clicking on 2. So on day 4 it will be sending. Yeah, and then so this is calculated from the first email that I'm sending. So yeah, don't get confused over here. And then let's say this process is completed. Right now what I will be doing, I will be scheduling the time. So there are 3 options over here: any day, anytime, Monday to Friday anytime, and Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So let's say I am sending email to clients in UK, US, Australia. So all of these clients are on different time zones, so it makes no difference for me if I send in 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. or any day Monday to Friday. But it is important for me to send the emails Monday to Friday. So I will simply clicking over here, and what time I am in. So I can select the time, and then I can click on save. Let's say let's click on save. So here you can see, yes, the demo is here. So I have added 3 steps: the main email and then 2 follow-ups, so that it is specified over here. And now what I can do is I can simply click here, and I can click on delete, and delete. Yes, so that email sequence is deleted. So that's all about emails. In the next part, we will be learning about how we can do the cold calling by this tool. Thank you.
If you found this video interesting, you can hop on to our next video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. It motivates a lot. And stay updated for much more informative videos coming your way. Thank you.